Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Homescape. If you want to log out or sign out of your Homescapes account, then remember that you do not have a built-in sign out option because the game is typically linked to your device or social media account. So if you want to sign out or disconnect the game from your device or social media account, then here's how you can do it. Open your Homescapes game on your preferred device, and then after you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner of your screen. In the pop-up appearing on the display, tap on Save Progress. Now, you'll be able to see all of the options that you've used in order to sign in or save your progress. If you want to sign out of any social media, simply go ahead and tap on Sign Out button and you'll be able to disconnect yourself from that account. You can repeat this step for any other social media account you don't want to be connected with. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to disconnect the game from your social media account. So that was how you can easily sign out or log out of Homescapes using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.